Deep beneath the ocean surface, life evolves in forms we are only beginning to understand. In the depths, where pressure shapes biology, nature creates extraordinary materials.
Life itself is reshaping into intelligent healing matter.
Non-invasive extraction technology ensures zero biological damage. Collected samples are transported to surface bioprocessing facilities. Collected samples are transported to surface bioprocessing facilities. Collected samples are transported to surface bioprocessing facilities. Inside the AI-controlled biotech facility, transformation begins.
Inside the chamber, microjets deliver a precise wash, removing impurities at the microscopic level. This is the future of marine biotechnology. The sterilization begins. Microjets wash each subject with absolute precision. This futuristic process ensures total biosecurity.
Molecular compounds are isolated at nano-precision levels.
By isolating the jellyfish's natural glow, we can create a perfect, biocompatible seal.
The extracted biomaterial is restructured into medical-grade gel.
At the edge of discovery, where nature and technology become one, the future is being rewritten.
Molecular compounds are isolated at nano-precision levels. Biointelligence system online, where science becomes the future. AI regulates molecular stability for medical precision. Every impurity is removed at microscopic level. Each unit undergoes full AI quality verification. This is the future of medical precision. The final compound is encapsulated for medical application. Each unit undergoes full AI quality verification.
At this scale, precision is no longer human. Every movement is dictated by pure mathematics, creating a flawless symphony of motion. This is the dawn of autonomous logistics. Bay activation marks a new era. Autonomous systems now drive global logistics. This is the future of medicine delivery.
Autonomous systems deploy medical supply globally.
And the world responds instantly.
From ocean depths to human healing systems. This is not science fiction anymore. Work as one system, from the depths of nature to the heart of human survival. Where nature, intelligence, and humanity become one system.
It's not science fiction anymore. It is the future of biotechnology. From the depths of nature to the heart of human survival. A future built not on machines alone, but on healing life.